Gold is now starting to give us the bullish move, whereby we were anticipating for the sell, but with what gold is currently doing, gold is still likely to give us that bullish move. I will be covering the reason why we are having that movement and what you should be expecting. So if you want to learn more and you also want to be part of a community whereby you can also share your own opinion and learn from other people, you can actually visit Invest Social. It is a community that has group of traders, analysts, and also developers that share strategy, share market insights, also share market ideas. So it is a community whereby you can learn more and also share your own opinion. It has a section for forex, stocks, crypto indices. You can be part of this by visiting investsocial.com. This was our anticipation on gold. Was we were anticipating for it to drop, but there was a major news that we had during the evening period, which was the Fed fund rates. So interest rates was not cut and the interest rates was not increased. If I am not wrong, it is still at a level of 3.75%. They still left it at that level. So this was one of the reasons why we had a huge market move on, on gold. So gold literally saw that, that spike, which, a little bit of a surprise, but not very completely surprising also, because market has done something like this repeatedly. So market was literally dropping. You can see that little movement that market has been giving us until the major news was released that made market to eventually spike. So I believe market is just pulling back, right? The market is just pulling back. I want you to know that markets will still continue the movement upward. Whatever markets we do, it will still give us that bullish move. So if in case this is the pullback, note that markets will still push up, will still give us that bullish move. So we are still to target a level of 4106, so which is 4106. We should be able to hit this level at least on Friday. So we have between Thursday and Friday for gold to actually hit this level we just called. If you find this video helpful, you can be part of the community of Invest Social in order for you to share your own idea, also share your own opinion and learn from experienced trader and connect with traders of like-minded people. Visit investsocial.com.